Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about building wealth. We're diving into an epic guide on how to become a millionaire step by step from 13 to 25. If you're ready to start your journey to becoming a millionaire, smash that like button and let's get started. Alright, so you're 13. This is an exciting time in your life, full of new opportunities and challenges. You're probably thinking, what can I do to make money? It's a great question, and the fact that you're asking it already puts you ahead of the game. Don't worry, I got you. There are plenty of ways to start earning and learning at the same time. This is the perfect age to start learning the fundamentals of money management and entrepreneurship. Think of it like this. It's not about becoming a millionaire overnight, it's about building the right habits. This is your foundation. The habits you form now will serve you for the rest of your life. First up, start a small business. Don't overthink it. It could be something simple, but impactful. This could be something as simple as a lemonade stand on a hot day, where you can learn the basics of supply and demand, mowing lawns for your neighbors, which teaches you the value of physical labor, or walking dogs. You'd be surprised how many people need their furry friends walked. It's a great way to earn while spending time outdoors. The key here is to learn the value of hard work, making your own money, and seeing that hustle pay off. Next up, saving. I know, it sounds boring, right? But it's one of the most important skills you can develop. But trust me, learning to manage your money early on is huge. It sets the stage for financial independence. Set a goal to save a portion of everything you earn. It doesn't have to be a lot, but consistency is key. Even if it's just a few bucks here and there, it all adds up over time. You'll be amazed at how quickly your savings grow. And while you're at it, start learning about investing. It's never too early to understand how to make your money work for you. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz kid just yet. Start simple. Learn the basics and build from there. Read books, watch videos, ask questions. The more you learn now, the better prepared you'll be for the future. Alright, you're 14, you've got a year of experience under your belt, it's time to level up. This is the age where you can really start to make a difference and set yourself apart from the crowd. Remember that business you started last year? It was just the beginning. A stepping stone to something greater. It's time to expand, offer new services, target more customers, and watch your business grow. Think about what additional value you can provide to your existing customers, and how you can attract new ones. And hey, if that first business idea wasn't really your thing, don't be afraid to try something new. Experimentation is key at this stage. Maybe you're good at coding, graphic design, or even just really good at a video game. These skills can be turned into profitable ventures if you know how to market them. Find a way to monetize those skills. Now let's talk about investing. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth over time. By now you should have a basic understanding of how investing works. It's not just about making quick money, it's about building a solid financial foundation. It's time to get your hands dirty. Now I'm not saying go all in on some risky stock you saw on the internet. Do your research and make informed decisions. Start small, maybe even consider asking your parents to help you open a custodial account. This can be a great way to learn about investing with some guidance. The important thing is to start early and let that money compound over time. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the magic of compound interest. You're 15, you're officially high school royalty. This is a time of great change and opportunity. You're not just growing physically but also mentally and emotionally. High school is a place where you start to shape your future. Now it's time to get your hands dirty with a real part-time job. This is your chance to gain some real-world experience and understand the value of hard work. This could be anything from working at a local store to bagging groceries. These jobs might seem small, but they teach you important skills. Trust me, I've worked my fair share of less than glamorous jobs. Each one taught me something valuable. The key here is to develop a strong work ethic. This means being dedicated, responsible, and always giving your best effort. Show up on time, work hard, and be reliable. These habits will set you apart and open doors for future opportunities. These are qualities that will serve you well in any career you pursue. Employers value employees who are dependable and hardworking. Plus, a steady paycheck means more money to save and invest. It's a great feeling to earn your own money and learn how to manage it. Speaking of investing, remember all that learning you've been doing? Your education is an investment in your future. It's time to put that knowledge to good use. Whether it's in school projects or real-life applications, your education is your foundation. Start researching different investment options and maybe even consider making your first small investment. This is a great way to learn about the financial world. Remember, the goal is to learn and gain experience. Every step you take now will help you in the future. And don't forget about financial literacy. Understanding how money works is crucial for making smart decisions. The more you know about managing your money, the better decisions you'll make in the long run. Start now, and you'll thank yourself later. Alright, 16. You're getting older, which means more responsibility, but also more opportunity. This is the perfect time to launch a side hustle that plays to your strengths and interests. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Maybe you love animals and can start a pet sitting business. Maybe you're a coding whiz and can build websites for local businesses. Or maybe you're a social media guru and can offer your services to businesses looking to up their online game. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find something you enjoy and that can bring in some extra cash. And if you haven't already, open a savings account dedicated solely to your side hustle income. This will help you track your earnings and stay organized. Remember, the more you diversify your income streams, the more secure your financial future will be. 17. The year before adulthood. It's time to start thinking seriously about your future career path. What are you passionate about? What gets you excited to learn? This is the time to explore different fields and figure out what makes you tick. One of the best ways to do this is through internships or apprenticeships. These opportunities give you real-world experience, help you build your network, and might even lead to a job offer down the line. And while you're exploring different career paths, don't forget about your investments. Keep learning, keep researching, and keep building that portfolio. Remember, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. You're 18. You're officially an adult. Now, it's time to start acting like one financially. One of the smartest moves you can make at this age is to open a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a retirement account that lets your investments grow tax-free. That means when you retire, you won't have to pay taxes on the earnings. And speaking of free money, don't forget to apply for scholarships and grants for college. College is expensive, but it doesn't have to cripple you financially. There are tons of resources available to help you graduate debt-free. You're 19, exploring your passions, and maybe even attending college. This is the perfect time to turn your interests into a profitable side hustle. Love to write? Start a blog. Have a knack for video editing? Launch a YouTube channel. Good at crafting? Sell your creations on Etsy. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities to monetize your passions. And the best part? You can do it all from your laptop. 20 years old. You're learning, you're growing, and you're constantly evolving. Now is the perfect time to invest in yourself. I'm talking about acquiring new skills that will make you more valuable in the job market. Take online courses, attend workshops, get certified in your field of interest. The more skills you have, the more valuable you become, and the higher your earning potential. And don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, reach out to professionals you admire. You never know where a simple conversation might lead you. You're 21. You're legally allowed to celebrate with a drink, responsibly of course, but more importantly, you're ready to take your financial game to the next level. It's time to think about building a diversified investment portfolio. This means spreading your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like cryptocurrency. Diversification helps to mitigate risk and protect your hard-earned money. And speaking of real estate, now is a great time to start exploring real estate investing. Real estate is a tangible asset that can generate passive income and appreciate in value over time. You're 22, you're full of energy and ready to conquer the world. This is the time to focus on your career and start climbing that corporate ladder or building your own empire. Network like crazy, polish your resume, and crush those job interviews. And remember, salary negotiation is key. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest. And if the corporate world isn't your thing, don't be afraid to take the entrepreneurial leap and start your own business. You're 23 and killing it. You're on your way to financial freedom, but it's important to keep the momentum going. This is the time to maximize your earning potential. Negotiate your salary, take on side hustles, and explore different income streams. The more money you bring in, the faster you can reach your financial goals. And don't forget about saving. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of earning more money, but it's important to prioritize saving and investing. You're 24, you're a savvy investor, and you're ready to take on more risk. This is the time to explore high-growth investment opportunities like tech stocks, startups, and even venture capital. These investments come with higher risk, but they also have the potential for exponential returns. Remember, do your research, diversify your portfolio, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And don't forget about your long-term financial goals. You made it! You're 25, you followed the plan, and you're officially a millionaire. Take a moment to celebrate your success. But the journey doesn't end here. It's important to continue to educate yourself about personal finance, review your financial plan regularly, and make adjustments as needed. And most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've earned it. And there you have it, guys. A step-by-step guide to becoming a millionaire from 13 to 25. Remember, it's all about staying focused, working hard, and making smart financial decisions. It's not always going to be easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and times you want to give up. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.